Welcome to Pickleball Den, the technology powering the sport. In this video, we'll be giving an introduction to our Shootout Ladder League software. Prior to creating a shootout in Pickleball Den, you'll want to decide how many groups to have at your club and how many shootouts you'll host per week. Shootout managers can create different shootout groups to organize players. This will create different player ranking sheets for your club. To view and edit the shootout groups at your club, you'll want to select Play from your Club Manager menu, select Shootout, and then choose Preferences. You can use the drop-down menu to select a shootout group. For each group, you have the option to enter a custom group name and to customize the shootout ranking history. By default, shootout ranking is determined by looking at all of a player's shootout performance history. By using the drop-down menu, you can limit the shootout events that are considered when calculating a player's shootout ranking. By default, Pickleball Den submits competitive club play opportunities, such as shootout events, to ratings. Some of our clubs have shootout groups that prefer to have play remain social rather than more competitive. If you would prefer not to submit shootout data to ratings, you can simply deselect this option by clicking the checkbox. After making any changes for this group, be sure to click the black Save button at the bottom of the page. You can then repeat this process for the other shootout groups at your club. Pickleball Den automatically provides 3 different shootout groups for your club to use. If you need to add an additional group, you can simply click Add Group from the top of the page. Pickleball Den will ask you to confirm that you wish to create a 4th shootout group. You can click Yes. You can then repeat the process of customizing the group name, editing the shootout ranking history if necessary, and selecting if you would like to submit this shootout data to ratings. After customizing this new shootout group, be sure to click Save at the bottom of the page. After customizing the shootout groups for your club, you'll then want to decide how often these groups will play. If your club will host regular shootout events, you'll want to use the Playtime sign-up sheet option. Before creating Playtime sign-up sheets, you'll first want to add the shootout playtime for your club by selecting Club from your Club Manager menu and then choosing Edit Club. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to find the playtime settings. To add a new playtime at your club, you'll want to select the Add Playtime button from the bottom of the page. You can then customize the play location, the day, start time, and end time for play. You will then need to use the drop-down menu to select Shootout as the play type. When selecting Shootout as the play type, Pickleball Den will automatically display the Shootout Group drop-down menu. You can use this drop-down menu to select which shootout group will play at this time. You can also select the court type, add any notes about this playtime, and set a player limit. If you don't wish to set a player limit for this playtime, you can simply leave this field blank. If your club has set a limit on the number of sign-up sheets a player may attend per day, you have the option to select that this playtime sign-up sheet will not count towards that player's limit. If this situation applies to your club and this playtime sign-up sheet, you can use the checkbox to select that this playtime sign-up sheet will ignore the player's sign-up limit. Be sure to click Save after making the changes for this playtime. When looking at the playtimes for this club, you'll see that a shootout playtime has been added. You can repeat this process as many times as necessary to add additional shootout playtimes for your club. After you've finished adding shootout playtimes, be sure to click Save at the bottom of the page. After creating a shootout playtime for your club, you can then create a playtime sign-up sheet. Select Sign-ups from your Club Manager menu, and then choose Create Sign-up Sheet. To create one or more shootout sign-up sheets based on the playtime you've created, you'll want to select the first option, Create Playtime Sheets. In Pickleball Den, you can create multiple sign-up sheets at once for this playtime. For example, if you plan to host the Advanced Shootout group every Wednesday for 4 weeks, you'll want to select a begin date and end date that are 4 weeks apart. When creating these playtime sheets, Pickleball Den will automatically create 4 sign-up sheets at once. If you only wish to create 1 sign-up sheet for this playtime, you'll want to select the same begin date and end date. Pickleball Den also allows you to select when this sign-up sheet will close, meaning that at that point, players will no longer be able to sign up for this event. You also have the option to set a player limit if you have not already set one for the playtime, and to enable the waitlist by selecting the checkbox. You can also choose to allow club members to add guests to this sign-up sheet. After customizing the information for the sign-up sheet, be sure to scroll down and select the appropriate playtime from the list. Pickleball Den will automatically notify club members of this new sign-up sheet. If you do not wish to notify players of these new sign-up sheets, simply click the checkmark to deselect this option. After you've finished editing this information, you can select Create Playtime Sheets. Pickleball Den will ask you to confirm that you wish to create these sign-up sheets. You can click Yes. This is how the list of sign-up sheets will appear to club players. To sign up for a playtime, they'll simply select the checkbox beside the date and time. Please note that ranking groups do not limit which players are able to sign up for play. You may want to edit the sign-up sheet and add a note indicating which ranking group is able to sign up for play. This note will appear on the sign-up sheet. If you wish to limit the members that are able to sign up for specific shootout events, we recommend you use Pickleball Den's Sub-Club option. Please watch our Sub-Club videos to learn more. Once a sign-up sheet is closed, the message, "This sign-up sheet is closed," will appear, and players will no longer be able to select the checkbox beside that option. Pickleball Den also gives clubs the option to host a shootout as a fee-based event. Our fee-based event option is perfect for clubs or businesses looking to host public events while also generating revenue. To create a shootout fee-based event sign-up sheet for your club, please watch our fee-based event video to learn more. To learn more and to continue setting up a shootout in Pickleball Den, please watch the next video in our Shootout playlist.